Hi, I'm Fat Papa. Today I want to show you how to make the rice ball soup. Let us begin. So today I have two favorite. This one will be red bean. This one is sesame. A lot of time the Lunar New Year we will make the rice ball. However, we stay home order in California and we only have 4 people. So we will buy this in the Chinese supermarket. It will be more easier. And the way to do it is that you have some crystal sugar, the brown sugar, and then some ginger, and then the rice ball, and then you have some water to boil. So let us prepare for the ginger first. So the ginger, you can peel the skin, use the knife slowly.
What are you doing?
So you can see they will be easy to be peeled off the skin. So then you cut few slices. Three or four slices will be fine. And then later on we will put in the water. When the water is boiled, you can put the rice ball in. You don't need to defrost it. You just take it out from the freezer and then put it in. After you put in the rice ball, then you put in the ginger and the sugar. Or you can do the other way around. If you want to try to taste how sweet it is, you can put the sugar first, and then when you feel the soup is sweet enough, then you can put the ginger and then the rice ball. But I would highly recommend don't make the soup too sweet, because the rice ball, they already is sweet. After you put everything, when the water boil again, you change to the middle fire. So don't put in the high fire, let it keep boil, because that way the rice ball might break. As long as it break the flavor coming out, then the rice ball won't taste good. And you need to keep mix it, and you don't need to make it often, just do it a little bit time so it won't stick at the bottom. Then how do you know they are ready? When they float on the top of the water, that means they are ready. As long as they still at the bottom of the water, that means it's not done. You don't take that out. And then after the whole thing done, you turn off the fire, put the cover on for about a minute before you take it out and then serve it. And that's it. You have a good rice ball soup for your Lunar New Year, or a dessert with your family. The ginger will help make you feel warm after you have this dessert. So for sure now is the taste time. See, they are good. I told you they are good. As long as you like those flavors, those will be a good dessert for you and your family. And remember, if you like my video, please give me a like, subscribe my channel, and then click the bell so I have a new video, you won't miss it. Thank you. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.